Good day everyone. Today I would like to introduce our project F2C converter, which we have created for our BTech course Social Innovation and Practice. So our team number is 11 and our team members are myself Srinija, Deekshit, Soumya, Rajesh, Madhvi and Sandhya. Everyone of us have contributed a lot to this project and we would like to continue and explain our project.
I am Simadri, I am from Team 11. Our project title is F2C Converter. My contribution in this project is I have helped in working model of the project and abstract of this project. And our need statement of this project is to provide a efficient and eco-friendly cooling system to the community. Nowadays the temperature is rising rapidly due to the environmental changes. So poor people are unable to afford the cooling system properly. So we have introduced this project F2C converter, and the main objective of our project is to provide simple and low cost affordable cooling system to the people.
Soumya from T11. The main issue in summer is it is the most exhausting of all seasons, and the excessive heat can cause dehydrations, rashes and heat strokes. All of these are avoidable by taking good measurements in the summer, and most of the people can't take good measurements in the summer because they can't afford ACs and coolers. And we can make a good prototype which can affordable for the poor people. So it is very useful to them, and it is a replacement of conditioners and coolers.
Our part is a FC converter, and my contribution towards the project is making the model and establishing the business model. And I want to say about the topic existing solutions. There are many existing solutions such as fan, cooler, and air conditioner. These are high cost and cannot be affordable by middle class people. So we made this project with the help of components such as a copper tube, and we brought up a pump motor and also the polyvinyl tube which is used to pump the water to the copper tube, and also the tanks. Thank you.
This is Rajesh. Our project is F2C converter. My contribution is I work with the development of the model. There are mainly three types of cooling system: cooler, air conditioner, fan. The fan fails to give efficient coolness to our surroundings. The second one is cooler. It has two disadvantages. It fails to work in two conditions. The first one is it fails to work in high humid conditions. It fails to work in low ventilation places. So our F2C converter will work in both the conditions. So it will satisfy most of the people, and it is more efficient than cooler, and it is better than AC in compared to cost. And AC may release harmful gases to the nature.
So the way our project works is that we are using a copper tube placed in front of a table fan, which is wound around a frame. This is connected with polyvinyl tubes to a motor pump placed in ice cold water. So when we switch on the motor, the water travels through this pump and goes through the copper coil, cooling the surrounding air around it. When the surrounding air is cooled, when we switch on the fan, the surrounding air is continuously pushed forward, thus cooling the room temperature using ice water as a coolant. So this is how the machine works. Now demonstration. I would like to demonstrate the working of our project. The motor is already switched on and the water is traveling through the pipes into the copper coil. This is cooling the copper coil and the wind is being cool air is being pushed outside. Thank you.
I am Sandhya, belongs to Team 11. I would like to conclude our project by saying that our project cost only 950 rupees. Our project is eco-friendly. Our project does not involve any CFCs into the environment, and our project is economical. We just use the water as a coolant in this project with some external accessories, and our project is helpful to all those who cannot afford ACs, coolers, etc., especially for the low income families. Our project is accessible to all those who would like to access this F2C converter. Thank you.